What's going on, everybody? Balls here again with another unboxing video. This is package number 2 from the same seller. The previous video that I just uploaded a couple days ago, that particular video, both from the same person, same guy, same kid, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to open this one up, and this is the same day, but I just didn't feel like uploading 2 videos. Not that it's difficult or hard, but, you know, I'll keep you guys in suspense. You know what I mean? So, this one, let's see if we have any paper towels in here. Never fails. Never fails. I'm going to throw those over there. I made the mistake of unrolling those last time, thinking that there might be something in it. So, here's more paper towels. I'll tell you, you know, it would almost be cheaper to go out and buy an air bladder that doesn't even... Yeah. I give him an A for effort. You know, he tried. So, here are these items. For good measure, I found something in the bottom of the box. Can you guess what it is? More flipping paper towels. Alright, I want to show this real quick. Bear with me here. Out of 2 boxes, he used almost a whole roll. Hold on. A whole roll of paper towels as packing material. Okay. Might as well just use the not tampon, a maxi pad or a diaper or something. Anyway, let's go ahead and we'll dig into this one. There's 2 here, so let's separate these best that we can. Try to get this. Oh, I'm just kidding. Fooled ya. I'm sure some of you guys are sitting there going, haha, serves you right. But no, I was just joking. So there's this one. And this one. We will throw the tape over here with the paper towels. You know, hey, if I did ever cut my thumb open on video, I've got a bunch of paper towels over here to hold on to. All right. I love the fact that people take the time to pack well, but it just, you know, for making unboxing videos on stuff like this, I'm sorry if it takes too long. And we got another piece of tape here. Maybe I'm just being too frugal. Who knows? All right, so this item here, well, I thought we were in the clear. There's more stuff. So this is a, holy crap. This is a very nasty, sorry, I'm just taking in the nastiness of it. Wow. I mean, just kind of wow. Punch 250A2. So this would definitely need to be cleaned up. This one, surprisingly, it only has 1 seal on it, which is weird. But, ooh, look at that. Bring that in here. So that's not good. That's going to have to be fixed. Can we get that out? Look at that. Wow. Okay, so this amplifier is pretty much just going to be a parts amplifier. I'm not even totally sure that I'm going to be able to use it as a parts amplifier, to be honest with you. I may have to get a hold of him about that. That is definitely interesting. All right, anyway, moving on. Bubble wrap over here, nasty amplifier here. I got a feeling that there's something majorly wrong in there. What do you guys think? Comment down below. What do you think? You think there's something wrong in this amplifier besides actually inside here? Like, I actually want to take this apart right now and show you guys, but I think I'm going to wait for another video because this one's already running long. We're already at 6 minutes. All right, so last item. I'll go ahead and open this one up. You guys can go ahead and skip this if you want. You guys already know what this is by looking at the title. But man, if you want to see my, not really see my reaction, but hear my reaction, keep watching. You never know. This one may be a good one too. All right. This one we're going to go a little bit older. Hopefully this one works. So here we have a Rockford Fosgate Punch 45. Has the harness and stuff with it. So that might be a good thing. RCAs. I don't collect these, so I don't know. Hey, the knobs are still there. I know the knobs are kind of hard to come by. Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, I don't collect these, so this will probably go up on the auction block. I'll have to test it out, make sure that it works first. But, yeah. So in this box, we've got a really nasty old Fosgate amp, and we've got a pretty decent looking Fosgate amp. So if you guys or gals have any questions, feel free to comment down below. If you guys want to see me take this one apart, just to see what's inside of this, we know what's rattling in it. But if you guys want to see a video of this thing taken apart, just to see what the inside looks like, let me know down below. So anyway, if you guys have any questions or anything, feel free once again to give me a holler. Cack and balls down below. Have a good day. Have a good day. Whatever, something. So later.